If you're experiencing a login failure with error code 2025 in CS2, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official game website or social media channels to confirm if the servers are down for maintenance or experiencing issues. If the servers are down, you may need to wait until they are back online. Step 2. Verify your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and working properly. You can do this by testing other online services or restarting your router. A weak or unstable connection can lead to login failures. Step 3. Restart the game. Close the CS2 completely and restart it. Sometimes, a simple restart can resolve temporary glitches or issues that may be causing the login failure. Step 4. Update the game. Check for any available updates for CS2. Keeping the game updated ensures that you have the latest patches and fixes, which can help resolve login issues. Step 5. Reinstall the game. If none of the previous steps work, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling CS2. This can fix corrupted files or settings that might be causing the login failure. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the login failure issue. If the problem persists, consider reaching out to customer support for further assistance.